Hi friends, this is Vicki with Gramma Vicki Crafts, and today I've made this cutest little chimney out of tumbling tower blocks and a few other Dollar Tree supplies. And I will show you step by step how you too can create your cute little chimney for Christmas. So just stay with me now and I'll show you. So let's go. So to start our Santa's chimney, I'm using the tumbling tower blocks, and I have chose to use the ones that have got the two different colors in there. And I'm also using the Weld Bond glue. This glue seems to hold really well for the project with the tumbling tower blocks. So what I have started with is I'm working in a pattern, but what we need are 9 blocks across, laying flat, like that, flat. And we need 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking like that. And that will be one of the, either the front or the back of the chimney. So this is all glued together now. And then for the side piece, we need 5 across the top, and we need 4 rows going down. Now, when I was doing my pattern, I wanted to be sure that if I did 2, 2, 2, 2, and then 1, I wanted to be sure that then when I make my side piece, that it's going to be with the brown to match. So as you see, my pattern will run consistently, front and back. Everything will be the same. So we need, once again, 9 across, and we need 4 rows down, all glued together, and we need to make 2 of these. So I have 2 of these. One's the front, one's the back. Then we need 5 across, 4 down, and we also need 2 of those, and that will be our side. So I'm going to go now and I'm going to glue this together so that it looks like the square. So I now have my chimney all glued together, so it looks like this. So now I've gone ahead and I've made in brown, using the brown, I wanted to put the top of the chimney on like so, and I want it to be all brown. So what I've gone ahead to do now is I've taken 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I've taken 10 of the brown pieces and I've glued them together flat like that, and I've made 2 like that. That's for the long side on either side. And then I've got 2, 4, 6, and I've glued them together flat as well. And that's going to be for both of the side pieces. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and decide which was going to be the top and the bottom. And I think this is going to be the top of my chimney. So I'm going to turn it upside down so I can glue all these pieces on properly there so that they go all the way around and I can get them in place rather than having to hold them if I glued it up here. So I'm going to go now and I'm going to glue these all around and let that set, and then we'll have the top of our chimney. So then we'll be able to turn it upside right. So now while I'm waiting on the top of my chimney pieces to dry and hold nicely, I'm going to work on these little boots. These are going to be Santa's boots. So we're going to have to take, I got these at the Dollar Tree as well. Now, I didn't get these this year. I had them in my stash, but I do think they have them again this year in the Dollar Trees. So I'm just going to take this material off of the little boot. So we'll see how that goes. It's just a little knitted material here, so it might not be too hard to come off. We'll see. There's the bottom part. That was pretty easy. I think the top might be glued on a little bit differently though, so we'll just work at this for a minute. I think it's just glued in a couple of spots actually. Yes. So there it is. So here's our little Santa boot. Isn't that cute? So I'm going to paint him, the little boot, black. Now I'll use a spray paint if I can get outside, if it's warm enough here where I live. If not, I'll have to use an acrylic paint. So I'm going to go ahead and I'll do that now. So I now have Santa's boots on, and his legs I have got stuck inside. So I've got the legs stuck inside into the green floral foam, and then all around that I have used some of this white packing foam just to make it a little more steady. So now what I'm going to do is I have traced around where I want my chimney to sit onto my stand, and then I'm going to take that and set it off, and I'm going to paint all around my square with some white paint. And then I'm going to I'm going to use my wood glue, and I'm going to put that down on my base, and then we'll decorate. Now that I have my chimney attached to my board and my Santa feet are in there, what I have stuffed in the top here is this glittered drape that you can get from the Dollar Tree or any of your craft stores. So I've just cut up some small pieces of this drape, and I've just put it down inside there to fill in the top of the chimney. So what I'm going to do next, I got some little trees here. Now I think these ones came from Michael's, I believe. This was maybe a year ago. I got a little 2-pack of these gold trees from Michael's. And along with that, I also picked up from the Dollar Tree some of these little white trees. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to glue on my 2 little gold trees on the corner. Then I'm going to take one small white one, and I'm going to glue that one there. And then I'm going to take 2 of the larger size ones, and I'm going to put one on either corner at the back. And that's how I'm going to decorate the front of my chimney, along with a Merry Christmas sign that I got from the Dollar Tree as well, in a little pack like this. And I'm going to glue that just onto the front of my chimney right there. So when I come back, I should have that all done. So here we are, and I think I'm finished my little chimney now. So what I ended up doing up top there, I put a little bit of Mod Podge on top of my draping that I put up there, and I sprinkled a bit of my snow just on top up here, just to hold that down around Santa's legs. And then all around my tree, my base, I put Mod Podge, and I sprinkled the snow all around there as well. And I added on my little trees. I added on my Merry Christmas sign. And then just to top it off, I had a little package of these little snowflakes from I purchased from Temu a while back. So I thought I'd just add a couple of those across the top of my chimney there as well. So there it is, all complete, and I think it turned out really, really cute. I really like this project, and my inspiration for this today came from Debbie from the Crafty Shopper. So I do want to give her credit where credit is due. So if you go to her channel, she will have her chimney there as well for you to get ideas from also. And I will link that in my description box below. So until next time, friends, I hope you'll try this. It was really great fun. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you for those of you who have. And always remember to be kind. Give me a thumbs up if you like this. Please comment. And until next time, bye now.